out sequence. Ang babasang vlogger si click subscribe mga 6-7. I-click subscribe you are on sa imong Pilipinas website. Kato ka mga kang Halloween Special 2025. Ang undas kay Dulay. Dulay na Pilipin. Oh, sorry. So, dito, kung dili man sa undas, kung dili, ang senaryo kang EAS na doon siya maapekto. Kung dili pa pwede sa channel din, why siya dili anak. Kung Halloween Special 2025 sa OECD at Sericatus Newsweek, kantanan kung gini mo lipa R&D kang films sa Viva Films. Kung nga siya effective sa Halloween 2025, wala na mga Halloween specials or questions sa OAC Newsbreak kung sa Halloween 2025. Di ba gusto yung na-open?
So ating oras is 12:17. Nakalak natin to. So ayan guys, yung trabaho ko ito sobrang dilim. So ayan, pasukin natin yun. Handahan. Ayan. Ayun. Butang ko iba na yun. So yan guys, ito yung trabaho ko guys. Napaka delikado. So yan, nakita nyo, diba? Biglang sumira yung pinto. So, nakabahan ako guys. Anong gagawin ko? So sabi, yung uno ko, tumindig yung balahibo ko. So ano ito? Hindi ko alam kung pagpatuloy ko pa to. Kasi yun guys, ano ba to? Wala tayong magagawa guys. Dadaan. So check natin yung nakabahan ko guys. So yun guys, narinig mo yun? Check natin guys kung ano yung, so grabe yung balahibo ko guys. Check natin. So ayan yung pintuan na akong malabog. So check natin guys. Yun, narinig ko ngayon guys na naka-on yung ano, yan. Yun guys, so yung kita niyo yung mga bangko. Yun guys. Yan, walang tao dyan guys ha. Tapos yung electric fan sa itaas. Yan o. Parang may kakaiba talaga dito guys. Yan, kita nyo. Yan guys o. Yan guys. Kita nyo. Yan guys o. Kita nyo. So grabe yung so kailangan natin i-off yung ano. Grabe, nakakatakot dito guys, sobra. So check natin, pasukin natin guys para kita nyo yung same guys. Guys, Lord guys. So ito yung trabaho ko guys. Grabe, sobrang nakakatakot guys. Grabe yung tindig ng balahibo ko, sobra. So yun. So yan, kita nyo naman guys yung yun guys. So Yan. Yan. So, yan guys. Yan. So, try natin i-off yung ano. Kasi naka-on yan. Yan. Naka-on yan. So, try natin i-off natin yan. Sabi. Ano. Okay. Yan guys, oh. Kita nyo. Yan ang ano. Dito tayo natin na off. Ito. Dito. Ito pala. Yung switch guys. Yan wala na. So yan. Tingnan nyo. Grabe. Labas na guys. Kasi hindi ko kaya yung takot dito. So, yan lang guys. Yan guys. Kita kids.
Sound of an eerie wind, faint whispering voices, and a soft rhythmic heartbeat. Urgent whisper tone. Imagine driving alone at midnight, your headlights slicing through the thick fog. You glance at your rearview mirror and you see her, a woman in white, sitting silently in your backseat. Short pause. Heartbeat sound fades out. Would you dare look again? Low, mysterious music builds up. Welcome to the Warm Story Corner, where legends, mysteries, and true horror stories come to life. If you love haunting tales and Filipino folklore, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll never miss another chilling story. Eerie wind with slow, melancholic piano notes. She is known across the Philippines. A ghost draped in white, her face hidden behind a curtain of long, dark hair. They call her the White Lady. The most famous sightings come from Balate Drive in Quezon City, a street shrouded in shadows and old imposing trees. Locals claim a woman's spirit roams this road at night, seeking justice, or perhaps just a moment of peace. Some say she was a young woman who died in a tragic car accident on that very road. Others whisper a darker tale, that she was a victim of a brutal crime, her body discarded nearby, leaving her soul to wander in eternal sorrow. Faint heartbeat sound returns, mixed with a rising, tense string note. Many taxi drivers in Manila tell the same bone-chilling story. A beautiful woman, dressed immaculately in white, waves them down late at night. She asks for a ride, usually to a quiet residential area. But once inside the cab, the air grows cold. The driver might try to make small talk, but she remains silent, her gaze fixed forward. Then, as they near the destination, the driver glances in the mirror to ask for the fare, only to find the backseat completely empty. Just a lingering scent of old perfume.
O kung na impormasyon sa Yoron, hatod sa Sabado. Visit YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Katong kang Undas 2025 is perfection. Kanisan, 6'7". 6'7" po, 6'7". Maunaong 6'7". It's called the 6'7" word. Word 6'7", word Samoa. Dagang salamat. Imong kaliputan. Hey mga chika, ako si Aaron Cantos. May gabi sa iyo lahat, mga kapamilya. You're here on today's sequence. Don't forget to subscribe imong sa kaliputan. I-click sa Sir Aaron Cantos o ibaba. Dagan salamat o imong kaliputan. Kani ang always see the Sir Cantos Newsbreak.